Today we are study binomial theorem. What is a binomial theorem? Do you know a binomial expansion a plus b per power 1 and a plus b per power 2? Now, when you find a higher expansion where use binomial theorem, a plus b per power n is like 5 6 7 98 every and so on. So the binomial expansion is a plus b per power n is equal to nc0 a per power n minus 0 b per power 0 plus nc1 a per power n minus 1 b per power 1 plus nc2 a per power n minus 2 b per power 2 plus dot plus ncn a per power n minus n b per power n. Now we see in this expansion a per power is increasing and b per power is decreasing. How to come this expansion? Let's see. A plus b per power 0 is equal to 1. A plus b per power 1 is equal to what I found? A plus b. And next, a plus b per power 2 is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And a plus b per power 3 is equal to a per power 3 b per power 3 plus 3a b square plus 3a square b. Now we see the total number of terms means a and b is one more than index. One more. Here is 1, then total number of term is 2. Here is 2, index is 2, total number of term is 3. Index is 3, total number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we arrange the coefficient. How to arrange the coefficient? Let's see. Now we see here index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and coefficient 1. Here I found 0 is index and coefficient 1. 1 index, coefficient 2, 1, 2 and 3, 2 index 1, 2 or 1. Here 1, 3, 3 and 1. So here I put all coefficient 0 index is equal to coefficient 1 and 1 index coefficient is 1, 1. And now arrange this type of sliding lines, all the numbers 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1. Here I notice something. Here make a triangle. You see 1 and 1 is equal to 2 and 1 is equal to 3. 2 or 1 adding 3. 3 and 1 4. 3, 3, 6. 3. Now we found a next term like that. 1, 4 or 1 5. 4 and 6 adding 10. 4 and 6 adding 10. 4 and 1 5. This is a index. This is the coefficient of 5. But other when we will go to higher of degree like 8, 9 and 11, we will see a difficulty. We face a difficulty. So how to solve a higher degree? Here I notice that this is a symbol of n one. This is just like a binomial. But here we see something. Put a quick reminder, just like a 0 C 0 is equal to 1, and this is a in a term 1c0 is equal to 1, 1c1 is equal to 1, and 2c0. Just we write this type of equation. To why I am doing this, I will tell you. 2c1, 2c1, 2c2, 3c0, 3c1, 3c2, 3c3, 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4. Do you remember these things? If the index is a plus b पे power 5, so coefficient just like 5c0, and a पे power 5 minus 0, and b पे power 5, and 5c1, a पे power 5 minus 1, b पे power b पे power 1 plus 5c2, a पे power 5 minus 2, b पे power 2, and so on 5c5, a पे power 5 minus 5, b पे power 5. Here and so on numbers we adding just like we will write a term of n. So n, we found nc0, a पे power n minus 0, b पे power 0, plus nc1, a पे power n minus 1, b पे power 1, and so on, n पे power n, a पे power minus n, b पे power n. What is this? This is a binomial expansion, binomial theorem. Just like we found these lines, how to come, you know, this is the rule of found any number, just like 2 पे power x, 3 पे power y, पे power index of 8. How to expand we will see how to expand these things, how to find the value of these things in next chapter and next video. Please stay and watch for 12th 11th NCERT, for TGT, UP TGT, PGT, and all competitive exam where ask a question by binomial theorem.